So now, today, what I will do is I will share the real-time examples and we will go from there. So this is one of the studio that I have. Now what I want to do is, let's go a little more deeper. So say this is what we have done till now. We have the start here component. And then we have done some launch parameters. So now to use them, we need to. First thing is to fetch that launch parameter in some variable. So after start here we have this component called aval. So if you search for aval, it will come up and you can drag and drop aval. You can rename it whatever you want. Like in my case, I have written it the name as launch parameter. Now, when you open that expressions, this is the place. Let me show you this new one. When you drag and drop a new one, it comes up like this, and you click on plus, it gives you this blank space here. This is the place where you write your one-liner codes. And what those one-liner codes are? They are nothing but ML expressions, which are also open source. These are the basic syntaxes here and all that stuff, whatever you do. So now let me show how we do it. So first thing is, which is called a variable, is called a property. So to declare, you just write props. Short form of properties is props. And in Studio there is this helper. You do not have to write everything. You just write PR and then do control space. And it opens up like this, then you can double click and it just populates. So you see this, my prop name. This is the name of the variable. You can keep it whatever you want like prop date. Prop date means it is creating a variable with the name date. Now what you can do is, you can assign any value here. So I think, like say this is a value in this. Similar to that. Similarly, you can add another one, create another variable. My prop name, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So that's how you assign variable value to the variable. Now, in our case, what we have to do is we have to fetch the value of the launch parameter. So launch parameter, short form, is LP. So LP control space. Now it gives you all the functions. So LPGET. If your launch parameter is of type date, you have chosen date. Then you choose LPGET date. If it's simple, 1L simple data. Yeah. So like say for example here, if you say, in my start here I have launch parameter as from date and to date. Both are date time. So what I will write here is LPGET, simple data from date. Yeah. What I'm doing is, I'm getting it as data because my requirement was different. I wanted it to change the time zone and all that stuff. So this is a complicated stuff here. Don't look at it, as you will get confused. This is all copied from Google. So nothing to afraid of, right? So LPGET simple data and then you give the value. Okay, what I am doing here is in the chat of this Zoom, I am pasting these formats. Props. If, for example, you have given, or let's do that. int demo 1. What's there in demo 1? Let me see. This has all this kind of stuff. I delete that. Connect it to this one. Info summary. Okay. Start here. What's the name? int test 2. Parameter is from date. Run for full file. Let me add another one here. Whatever. User ID and I give it as text and save it. Now in the AVAL expression, I have employee status active. Employee status is what is this prop status. Delete. Okay, so my first launch parameter is from date. Right. So I will come here. I will say props control space choose is equal to LPGET. Get date. And then in the label, what do you have to do is you have to choose the name of your launch parameter. So it will be this. Okay, and then I will say here from date, right. The other one is to date. So I will copy this, come here. Instead of from date, I will do it this. Here it will be. You have to be very careful with these codes and all that. If there is anything missing, it will give you an error. And it will. Sometimes it doesn't show it, you will be able to deploy it, but when you run it, it will be an error. And then you'll not be able to find out what the name of this full file. Let's say so, user. LPGET. Okay, now I saved it. Now say if I want to display it right. What I will do is I will have my log component. I'll put it here, but what this log will show. So the A1 is just population the variables. Right. It is not changing the message. Whatever message was there, the message is the same. It is just an extra stuff of population some variables. Right. So that means after this AVL, the message is the same. Whatever was before AVL. Because A1 is not doing any manipulation on the message.